In this video, I will guide you on how to use TikTok Shop affiliate feature. Before you apply for TikTok Shop affiliate feature, you must meet the eligibility criteria. Missing even one will result in an automatic rejection. There are different criteria such as age, followers, location, and account standing. Now, you want to launch open the TikTok application to apply for it. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines and here find the option of TikTok Studio. Select that. Before we begin, make sure that your account is set to creator or business creator profile. Now, under the monetization section, select TikTok Shop for Creator. Then tap on Join Now or Apply. Complete your identity verification and age confirmation by uploading front and back of your government-issued ID. Input your legal name exactly as it appears on your tax documents and link a valid bank account to receive your commission payouts. Now, all you need to do is find and add products. Enter the TikTok Creator Center. Then you want to search for the marketplace. Now request free samples, then add it to your showcase. This instantly places the product in your profile's public showcase tab where viewers can browse and buy directly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.